Hello. In this tutorial we will show you how to modify the index paginator inside the PDF index generator program. The paginator is the page numbering that we write at the header or footer for all the pages inside the book. The book we have today has the pagination numbers written at the top left-hand side for all even pages, while odd pages have the pagination numbers written at the top right-hand side. When using PDF index generator, to write the book index to this book, we can write the pagination for the index pages, just as it appears here. Let's see how to do that. We are now in step 4 of the program, and we're ready to write the index to the book. But before doing that, we will configure the index paginator, so that its page numbers would appear identical to the ones of the book. To do that, click the Select Template link. This will open the list of templates that we have. Each template specifies the font specifications for every element in the book index. We will make a copy of any template here, then modify it. Click the Copy button. We will rename this template Sample Book Template. Scroll to the Paginator section. Here we can specify all options concerning the index paginator. This section specifies the font of the page numbers written in the Paginator section, while this section specifies the margins and the format of its page numbers. This paginator sample shows that the program will place the paginator at the bottom of the book pages. We will modify all this. Click the Advanced Paginator Settings. We would like to set the paginator numbers to appear in Arabic numbers, so we will keep this option as it is. To specify the first number of the paginator, let's check our book. We'd like to write the index section before the About the Author section inside the book. This means that it will start with the number 371, and we will modify this number here later on. So we will set the number here to 371. The number's position, as we have specified before. We will write the odd page numbers at the top right-hand side of the page, while even page numbers will appear at the top left-hand side of the page. So we will select Top Right Left for this option. The Numbers template. This option specifies the format of the page numbers. For example, this one will place a hyphen before and after each page number. We will stick with the default format here, just as it appears in our book. Click Save to apply the changes. You will notice that this paginator sample now shows the page numbers at the top of the pages. Now we will set the paginator font to be identical to the page numbers in the book. We will set the font name to Times New Roman. The font size is 9. No bold or italic formatting is needed. The font color is black. As for the margins, we should specify the top and left distance from the page edges for the even page numbers, and also specify the top and right distance from the page edges for the odd page numbers. So we will set the top margin here to 1 inch, the left margin to 1 inch, and the right margin to 1 inch too. Those are the margin values that are already used for the book paginator. Now we have set all the paginator settings. Click Save to apply the settings. Then click OK. Now click the Start Writing button to write the index to our book. Done. Let's open our book to see how the index looks like. Here is our index. By default, the program writes the first page number of the paginator at the bottom of the page. Here's page 372. This even paginator number is written at the top left side of the page. The top and left margins appear to be right. Let's check the other pages. All seems to be fine. We hope we've given you a good start to setting the index paginator for your book index. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.